Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold did make what I think possibly could be like a little expanding ABC correction right here. It looks like this possibly could be the end of a correction here, like I said yesterday, and then we had impulsive up. Maybe this is an expanding ABC right here. If that's true, then hopefully this is now going to end up continuing back up. If we go all the way up to the daily time frame, we can see that we are definitely still in an uptrend. Price has not been able to break to the downside yet. There is a chance that it does reject this area and just keep on going up, possibly, if this is the end of a correction, making new all-time highs again. So I am definitely still looking for longs until the higher time frames at least give me some reason otherwise. So if we do get some sort of a little zigzag pullback, I definitely would try to take it as a long, hopefully for the continuation of the uptrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.